Hi everyone, I wanted to share our experience with the NCVI wearable breast pump. My wife has been using it and it's honestly made her daily routines much easier. She says it's very comfortable to wear, lightweight, and fits nicely inside her bra, so she can move around and take care of her things while pumping. The suction is strong but still comfortable, and she likes that it has different modes and suction levels to choose from depending on washing it. It's also very easy to assemble, clean, and recharge, which saves us a lot of time. Overall, we have a great experience with the breast pump. If you're looking for a hands-free portable option for your wife or as a gift for a new mom, I definitely think this is worth considering. Thanks.